This is a demonstration using the Automation Success Platform and generative AI to extract structured, semi-structured, and unstructured documents. In this example, we're processing a mortgage package from a customer. We first use RPA bots to retrieve the entire package from an input folder. Then, a classification capability separates the document into its components. All the necessary documents have been found and have been separated through our classifier. Okay, next we're going to proceed to extraction, where different documents are set to different extraction engines. The bank statement is unstructured, so it's sent to generative AI. The ID card is semi-structured, so we send it to our own document automation solution. We can also use third-party solutions if necessary. All this extracted data comes together in the Automation Copilot, where the user can review it. Data matching is performed, and a validation percentage is displayed in the Copilot. In this case, the data from these different systems doesn't match. The discrepancy is highlighted in Copilot. Because there's a human in the loop, the user can review the documents that have issues and easily click a button to send an email notification back to the customer. Generative AI is used to create the email message telling the customer that there are some discrepancies in the information submitted. In this different scenario, there's a slight variation in the customer address. The user can review the documents to better understand the discrepancy. But since this isn't a serious issue, the user can click a button to use generative AI and send a congratulatory message to the approved customer. In this third example, the loan application form is missing. The user clicks the radio button and verifies that the document isn't available. Generative AI is used to create a personalized email to inform the customer of the missing document. And there it is, a highly automated solution which demonstrates the power of document automation and generative AI, all brought to you in the applications you use by the Automation Copilot. Schedule a demo with Automation Anywhere today.